In this video, we'll show you how ExcelSend helps reduce healthcare waiting lists using SMS, all from within Microsoft Excel. This simple yet powerful tool is a must-have for any list manager looking to streamline patient communication and improve efficiency. In this demonstration, I have a long list of people who are waiting for a procedure. I'm going to ask them by text message if they still need or want an appointment. Those that reply no will enable me to shorten the list. Here is my waiting list. Each row represents a patient. The first row contains the name of the columns. I have the first name, last name, mobile number, and the department that they're waiting for. I'm going to use each of these fields in the message. Now I click on Send SMS. In ExcelSend, I need to specify which column or field contains the mobile number, here. Next, I ensure the recipient will be able to reply to my message. And now for the message itself. In it, I'm stating that they're on a waiting list, but asking them to confirm that they still require the procedure. I want them to respond with a yes or a no. I'm going to use their name in the message to make it personal and genuine. To do that, I use merge fields. Each field corresponds to a column name in the spreadsheet. Now I can click Preview and look at all the messages, look at how much it's going to cost, and when I'm happy everything is in order, I can click Send. So that step is complete. The messages have been sent. I'm going to give them between 24 and 48 hours to respond, and then we'll see what we have. And I'm back. And now I want to see what replies I received to my message. So I go back to my spreadsheet. All of these new columns to the right of my original data were added by ExcelSend when I sent the message. They each represent some piece of information about the message I sent for that patient. Let's take a closer look. The first column is a reference code. It's necessary, just ignore it, hide it if you have to. The next 5 fields hold information on the messages that I sent out. The last 3 are about any replies that are received, the last field containing the actual reply. When I open ExcelSend again and click Refresh in the Report section, it populates these new fields with the latest information. I'm going to delete the original message column and expand all the rest so I can clearly see who responded yes, and more importantly, who said no. I asked for a yes or no reply. Be aware that some of the other fields contain yeses and nos in them, so don't get caught out. And now I can simply sort and manipulate my spreadsheet data to seek out those who said no. And there you have it. A simple but powerful way to reduce the size of your list. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching.